Hey, Monica, how are you today?
I'm fine.
Doing pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
So what is this outfit we've got you dressed up in here? What is that?
I don't know.
Skydiving outfit or like, are we going water rafting maybe? Or what are we doing here today?
Skydiving.
Are you crazy? What made you decide to come try this?
I'm amazed.
Why are you doing this?
I don't know, because I have to do.
No idea. You just decided to come out and jump out of a plane, huh?
Oh yeah, okay.
All right. Well, just a few more minutes and we will see you in the air.
Wow.
Hi, Monica. Welcome back.
Thanks.
How was that skydive?
Wow. Incredible. Oh my gosh.
I thought you did pretty good. What do you think, Moro?
She did all right. Not bad, not bad.
Cool.
We are crazy.
Crazy Spanish
We are
girl.
crazy.
Yeah.
You too.
Here comes another crazy person over there landing. All right, Monica, thanks for jumping with us at Skydive
Thank
Santa
you.
Barbara.
Thank you so much.